mamshies, try natin to. Ito yung binili natin kahapon, Bisugo. It's a semi-salted. It's product of the Philippines. So we're gonna try this. Let's see how it tastes. Right there. Ayan. Damihan natin konting oil kasi sasangag natin siya after. Ayan. So ano talaga siya? Sealed na mga mamshies. Oh. Tapos after that pa, meron pa siyang isa sa loob. So ganun nila ginagawa. Double seal. Ayan. Naka-seal pa rin siya dito. So, pero may opening na siya. Ganun. Siguro tagi-isa lang kami nito, mamshies. Kasi baka maalat. Smells good. Yan. Ganyan siya mga mamshies. Yan. Ganyan guys ang itsura niya. So, isang balot. Grabe, mga ano lang siya. 5 pieces. Try lang natin. Pag masarap, then we'll just buy some more. Okay? Lapag lang natin. Huwag natin siya i-overcook. Hopefully masarap na itong mamshies kasi nagsa-search tayo ng tuyo talaga na masarap for breakfast. So far there's few that I like, but I think okay siya. Hopefully okay siya mga mamshies. Ayan na. Grabe, buong bahay. Buong bahay yung amoy. May headache ako ngayon, pero okay pa rin tayo. Ito, binili ko siya, peppermint, guys, for headache and stuff. So, it kinda, you know, help with the headache. Pagising ko ng maga, so, siyempre, may baby ako. Ginigising niya ako minsan madaling araw, uminom ng milk. Tapos, hindi naman tayo makabalik sa tulog kaagad. So, makakatulog ka, by the time nakasarapan ng tulog, mag-a-alarm naman. Kasi, gigising naman ako para din sa isang anak ko. Ganon, ang buhay natin. Papasok naman yung isa. Hindi natin siya i-overcook, mamshies, okay? Ganyan lang gagawin natin. Malambot siya, mamshies, so we'll see kung masarap. Ayan. Konti pa. Another probably a minute or so. Hopefully masarap to mamshies. Hopefully, try natin. Ayan. Ayan. Lagyan na natin. Ayan nga, guys. Lulutuan natin siya ng fried rice there. Okay. Tag me on your channel, guys. Yan, nilagyan natin siya ng granulated garlic. Kasi tamad tayo ng chop-chop. Pero masarap din kasi granulated. I like it. Kasi talagang ano siya, real garlic din siya, mga mamshies na dehydrate siya. Nagka-allergy tayo. Ayan. Lagyan na natin ito yung fried rice. Luto na yan. Make sure high heat kayo pag naka-fried rice kayo. Guys, para hindi siya dikit-dikit. Actually, yung rice namin, medyo siya malagkit eh. Pero still good to do fried rice. Okay? There you go. Ayan. Ayan, pakita ko na sa inyo mga mamshies. Wow! Bisugo ata, right? Bisugo. Then we have our fried rice. So, mamaya titikman na natin yan. Mukhang masarap siya, mga mamshies, kasi malambot. Yep. Already. Kain na tayo. Yan, mga mamshies. Titikman na natin siya. Actually, tinikman ko na siya after, it was really salty. Very salty siya, mamshies. So, ang ginawa ko, winash ko siya ulit. Tapos, finry ko siya ulit. So, this is the second time na titikman ko na siya. Okay, got this one. So, it was really salty. So, pag bumalik kayo, kasi hindi naman kami kasanay, hindi ako pwede kumain ng masyadong salty. So, baka sa inyo, okay siya, pero sa akin hindi. But it's really salty for me. Okay? So, try this. Maalat pa rin siya, mamshies. Maalat pa rin siya. So, maalat talaga. Maalat. Hindi siya para sa akin. Maybe for you guys, pero not for me, okay? This is just my own opinion, okay? So, of course, tuyo, what do you expect? Siyempre, maalat siya. Salted fish nga eh. Pero kasi meron ako natikman na binibili namin dati na hindi siya ganun kaalat. So, baka pag sinawsaw nyo sa suka, ito suka. Pag sinawsaw ko siya sa suka, pwede na siya. Pero, pag kinain ko kasi siya, nag-accumulate yung salt. So, later on, yung kidney stone ko mag-spike siya. So, we don't want that to happen. So, mamshies, for me, my own opinion, might be good for you guys, okay? But for me, it's really not for me. The bisugo, that tuyo is not really for me. Okay? But, good thing, I have some kakainin natin ngayon, mamshies. Meron akong itlog right here. And I have some tomatoes in here too as well. So, yan ang breakfast ng mamshi niyo today. Okay? It's still good. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Pinapapa ko rin siya konti-konti. Konti-konti lang. Kasi, nakakatakot. Pag may kidney stone kayo, mamshies, it's different. Akala nyo, napaka-simple lang. Pag may kidney stones kayo, masakit. Yung akin kasi, long time ago na yon. Way back when I was in the Philippines, that's when they found out I have kidney stone. I don't remember taking any medications at all because the doctor told me na pwede pa siya, maliit siya, pwede siyang i-flush out. So what I've been doing is, this one I really recommend for everybody that's feeling like pain in the back, right here, that's kidney stone. You drink buko juice every day, like fresh buko juice, because I was in the Philippines. So, yung manong, lagi siya nag-stop by sa bahay namin, nagde-deliver siya ng buko juice. So, every day I keep drinking that. And finally, eventually, siguro na-wash out na rin siya kasi nawala na yung pain. Kasi I got to the point na tolerable yung pain niya. Tapos, eventually, talagang super sakit na. Dinala na ako ng asawa ko. Well, boyfriend, girlfriend pa lang kami that time. Dinala niya ako sa hospital. That's when I have to do all the checkup and everything, the labs and everything. So, right now, ngayon, I don't think I have any. Pero, pag kumain ako ng maalat, sumasakit yung dito ko, mga mamshies. So, I try to stay away from salty food. So, like I said, that bisugo, look, ang dami nating niluto. Hindi ko siya makain, mamshies. Maalat for me. So, it's up to you guys for your judgment kung kakainin nyo yung hindi. But for me, it's salty for me. Okay, so right now we just enjoy the eggs and the tomatoes. It's still good. Masarap siya. And the fried rice, kasi fried rice natin siya with the bisugo oil. So right there, and we have some cantaloupe as well. So kakain din tayo ng prutas. right there. So, yun. Ito ang breakfast namin ngayon. Breakfast ko. Si mama din medyo naalatan. Ayan. Kain tayo, guys. So, yun lang. Yun ang tinikman natin ngayon. I wish I can, if you guys know anything na magandang brand, please comment down below because I'm really looking for like tuyo na that's really, really good and not too salty. So, if you guys know anything, share nyo naman, comment nyo lang. Try nating hanapin dito sa Vegas. Okay? Alrighty, guys. Thank you for watching and always, ingat kayo parate. Thank you for watching and supporting me as a beginner here in this platform, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos for more videos to come. Ingat, Mamshis. Bye, you guys.
Thank you all for watching this here video.